Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success. Now, I'd like to talk a little bit today about some of the power of the unseen beliefs. Sometimes we call them limiting beliefs. And I was with a client this week who really wanted to start running. But she said she'd never been a runner and she didn't feel that she looked very elegant. But deep down, she wanted to run and her goal was to do a 10K. But she kept justifying it and not starting. And when we unpacked this, it turned out that she has that fundamental fear that so many of us have of being rejected. Now, this stems from way back in evolutionary times when we were tribes. And we had to be part of a tribe years and years ago to survive. Because imagine when you're out on the savannah and there's saber-toothed tigers and woolly mammoths running around. If you're on your own, your chances of survival are slim because you'll probably get eaten by a tiger or taken out by a mammal. Hence, you needed to be in a tribe to survive. So it's still inbuilt that we want to be part of a group of people and we do not want to be rejected. And the thing is, when you start something new, we have all these thoughts and feelings that start telling stories and going, oh, what happens if I'm no good at this? But I don't know how to do this. I might look stupid. I might fail. I might make a fool of myself. What if someone laughs at me? All those superficial words and sentences we put around it are that fear of rejection, of not being good enough or being singled out, which is as powerful as death. So this is why so many people don't take action and do the things they want. So, as I said to my client, what would happen if you did go and get into running and supposing you enjoyed it? And that opened up a world of possibilities. And then I said, imagine for a moment that you've just completed your 10K run. How are you feeling? What are you saying to yourself? And that was probably the moment when she could step out of her stuckness and connect with that moment of the wish fulfilled. And we've now made a plan to help her get going. And the thing is, when you start taking action on your challenge, you need to be kind to self. You need to remember that everybody started somewhere. And the best way to get better at something is to be consistent with your practice or your training. Because we all know that if you keep taking action consistently, you will get there. Absolutely you will. We all started somewhere. When I learned to windsurf many years ago, I wasn't very good and it took me ages to get better. And I know I also turned down some opportunities to go windsurfing with people who were way better than me until I got to a certain level, because I didn't want to be no good or seen as useless. So we all have it. So my question for you is, where in your life are you holding yourself back because of these type of stories about not being good enough or ultimately being rejected or laughed on? And where is it getting in your way of taking on a new challenge or an adventure, or perhaps stepping up into a new job and starting again? So have a look at your life and see what you can challenge yourself to do that will break through this boundary, and I guarantee it will open up so many possibilities for you. And I would love to hear from you what you are going to challenge yourself to do. If there were no limits, no boundaries, what would you be doing? And what difference might it make for you in your life? So that is today's Mindset Matters. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success. So please share and like the video, and it will be awesome if you'd like to subscribe to my channel so you can get your weekly Mindset Matters. Bye for now.